the Insurance Brokers Podcast Bite Size. Here we share the best bits from all of our interviewees on the Insurance Brokers Podcast.
The hot topic at the moment is inflation and the effect that has on policyholders around underinsurance and the challenges that presents to everybody at the time. The most important time is when a customer has a claim. We're clearly seeing the cost of claims going up, but also the timeline of putting people back to where they started. I think you know from personal experiences, if you try and order something from a builder's or even sort of white goods and kitchen goods and things like that, it's taking a lot longer to come through. So I think that that communication challenge is the big one we see from brokers. It's how do they engage policyholders in thinking about what are the correct sums insured that they need, and actually helping them to evaluate that and make sure the policy is fit for purpose for them.
It's pretty difficult because at a time where the cost of living is increasing, the cost of insurance is increasing outside of the fact that you need to then increase your sums insured and things like that. How do they have those conversations? Because this is a conversation I've had with a few brokers. Is there
it's difficult. I mean, we've also had rate rises going through in the market as well. There have been losses. There have been an increase in complex losses. So, rate rises have been coming through in our market. And I guess now we're probably seeing more around just underinsurance. So I said the tricky thing for a broker is to explain to a customer that they're actually buying more, they're buying more cover, or they need to buy more cover. So it's not necessarily about insurers wanting, us wanting more money. It's about making sure that the cover goes up, and unfortunately the price goes up with that. So you're right, in economic difficult times, it's a challenging conversation, but I think most policyholders still want to get their insurance in the right way, and they want to get correctly insured. So I think that's the good thing about this, is that you try and have a conversation about what does a policyholder actually need.
If you've enjoyed this, please leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe.